Hello guys, this is quickie time, down and dirty quick modification. I've got a list of stuff a mile long which is all little tweaks here and there which I keep meaning to do. This is one of them. On my straddle knurler, scissor knurler as some people call it, which I made decades ago. The knob was knurled but it didn't give enough. I couldn't get enough torque on it, so I put a hex. It's real quick, just whipped it through the mill on the collet block and that's it. Whether I put this up I don't know, but it's just a little filler. Won't take too long. Brace yourselves, be over in about 3 minutes. See you soon guys. Bye for now, thanks for watching. Well, that's all there is. Just whip round through the collet block. And this is only a modification. Well, there's my straddler as I call it. I did think of making a new nut or knob for this, but there's enough material on this original, which was all knurled, so I could put a hex on it and then managed to tighten down a lot more easily than just finger work. So just one of those quick little jobs. Quick shout out to Terry, TXSViking. He's got a very nice channel, does a lot of extremely interesting, mainly TIG work and a few other things, but he has some quite interesting challenges. And if you enjoy Jody, welding tips and tricks, you want to watch Terry. Very nice work that he does and well worth watching. He also included a very useful 6-inch scale, which has quite a funny bit of writing on it, which I won't actually add at the moment, but it's a very welcome addition. Thanks, Terry.